So how do you say my name is in Russian? And then how do you say they named the city? If you've ever found yourself pausing, wondering if you should use zvat or nazvat, you are definitely not alone. So let's break this down and clear it all up.
Right. Zvat or nazvat. This is one of those classic mix-ups for Russian learners. They both obviously have to do with names, but they are not interchangeable at all. Using the wrong one can sound pretty strange. So let's get to the bottom of how they're really different.
The biggest difference really just boils down to one simple question. Are you stating a name that already exists, or are you talking about the actual act of giving a name? We're going to start with the first one, which is by far the most common situation you'll find yourself in.
Okay, first up is zvat. The easiest way to think about this verb is that it's for facts. A name has already been picked, it exists, and you're simply stating what that name is. It's all about identifying something, not creating a new name for it.
And this brings us to probably the single most important phrase you'll ever use with SWAT. When you introduce yourself in Russian, you say "Меня зовут." Now, what's really cool is that this literally translates to "they call me." It perfectly captures that idea we just talked about. You're stating the name that was already given to you.
Now, let's flip over to its counterpart, nazvat. This verb is all about the action itself, that moment of creation. You use this one for the specific act of assigning a brand new name to a person, a place, or, anything really. So just think of nazvat as the verb for that naming ceremony moment. It's what parents do when they decide on a name for their baby, it's what founders do when they christen a new city, or even what a team does when they come up with a name for a new project. It's all about that initial act of naming. So, if you remember one thing, let it be this. Zvat is for a static fact. Меня зовут, my name is. Nazvat, on the other hand, is for a dynamic action. Nazvat rебенка, to name a child. One is about what already is, and the other is about the act of making it so.
Okay, but what about other situations? I mean, it's not always about introducing people or naming cities. These verbs actually have another layer of meaning. So let's dig into how they're used for labeling and for summoning people.
So here's where things get interesting. Называть can shift to mean to label or to call someone something, and this often has a negative vibe, like name-calling. Zvat, on the other hand, takes on a really simple meaning, to summon or call for someone. It's just a neutral action, like shouting, "Позови врача," call the doctor.
And finally, we've got to talk about a key piece of Russian grammar. I know grammar, but this one's super important here, aspect. Just like most verbs, these two come in pairs. There's an imperfect form for ongoing or repeated actions and a perfect form for a single completed action.
So let's break this down. For summoning someone, zvat is the general idea of calling, while pozvat is for that one single completed call. For naming, the difference is a bit more subtle but still important. Nazvat describes the process, like they were thinking of naming him Ivan. But nazvat, the confective one, is for that single done deal. They named him Ivan. See how that little prefix changes everything? It signals completion.
All right, let's do a super quick recap to really lock this in. Number 1, use zvat to state your name. Меня зовут. Number 2, use nazvat to give a name, whether it's to a child, a city, or a project. Number 3, use nazvat when you're labeling someone. And remember, that can often be negative. And finally, number 4, use zvat or pozvat when you just need to summon someone. And there you have it, the difference between stating a name, giving a name, labeling someone, and calling someone over. You've now got the complete framework to tell these tricky verbs apart and use them the right way in pretty much any situation. The Russian naming game? You got this.